Students, next question is from grammatical portion, and the first question is about conditional sentences. Let's see the conditional sentences. Complete the following conditionals. The first one is, if I were the education minister, dash. There was a dash and मैंने यहाँ पे आपके लिए लिख दिए हैं. If I were the education minister, it would change the system. Here you can look at the structure here, that if I were, it means here the past simple is used, here the would plus base form. If you had a degree, you would have got the job. If you work hard, you would get first position. If he stopped smoking, he would recover. We could win the match if we played well. So student, in all these examples, you can see that all of these examples are following the structure of second conditional sentence. So these are second conditional sentence. I hope you understand the concept of second conditional sentences.